this video, guys, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's dive in and see what's inside this month's beauty box. Just in case you're new to Lookfantastic, it is a beauty subscription box. Every single month you pay £15 and you get a gorgeous box. Usually this is a different bag this time, but normally it comes in a beautiful box and you get that every single month with mystery beauty products inside. They normally have incredible value, way more than the £15 that you would pay. They also have 3, 6 and 12 month subscription packages that work out at slightly less every single month. That does also include delivery as well for the UK, just in case you're wondering, and I'll leave all the information for it down below in the description box, just in case you wanted to check it out. Just go down there and you can follow the links and stuff to find out more about it. In the June Beauty box, we have products in here that are worth over £61 altogether, which is way more than the £15 that you pay for the beauty box, as well as this gorgeous box. I cannot get over the colour of this. Like, this colour is stunning. So let's see what we've got inside, guys. First up, we have a Molten Brown Shower Gel. Now, this is the Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. This is worth over £10, which is awesome. I love Molten Brown shower gels. Ooh, that smells very summery. That smells amazing. How much do we have in you? You are 100 mils, which is not a bad amount. Really like that that's in there. What else do we have? This is so exciting. Next up we have a glove product, again in this gorgeous turquoise shades, and this is a detangling brush for your hair. So I love using brushes like this. My hair can get really quite knotty, and yeah, I really love that. It feels really nice, not pulling on the hair at all, and yeah, I just really love that, and the colour again is stunning. What else do we have in our little summer box? We've got the SPF 30 lip protection and care. So we've got like a protecting SPF lip balm, which is really good. It's by the brand Ultra Sun. We also have a Polar Sun Lotion, and this is 50+ with UVA and UVB protection. There is 20 mils of product in here, and it's also fragrance free as well, which can be really good because sometimes sun lotion scents can be quite overpowering, but this is fragrance free and it's very protective, which is always amazing. Do not forget your SPF, guys, when you're in the sunshine. Very important. We also have a Josh Wood Colour product. Now, this is an everything mask. So this is the colour locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair colour, and it says apply to damp washed hair, leave on 5 minutes, then rinse. So it's a deep conditioning hair mask, which I love. In the summer we don't tend to use as many beauty products or as many makeup products, but it's so important to still take care of your skin and to take care of your hair. So I love the fact that they've got skin protection in here, as well as like body wash and shower gel, hairbrush, hair care. Like, I love the fact that it's very summery and suited to the month. I really like that. And the last product in this month's box is the Aroma Blend Calming Mask. Now, this is a sheet mask by Shang Spa Care System, and yeah, it's just a 10 to 20 minute sheet mask that you pop on your face, and it says infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils, this relaxing mask calms and soothes your skin, revealing a healthier and softer skin, which again is amazing. I really love hair care and skincare in the summer. I think it's so important, and this is just like the perfect little travel bag and the perfect products to go with you in June. And also, guys, it did come with a little card inside as well that said, to our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that's going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we will bring back the printed versions back as soon as possible. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for your continued support, the beauty box team. So just in case you are wondering why I didn't have like the beauty edit in this box, it is because it's online now. So if you want to see the retail prices and a little bit more about the products in depth. And if you wanted to have a read through the articles that I love doing every single month, then definitely check your emails, your subscription emails, and you'll have a link on there to click through to check all that out online instead of in paper form. So that was everything that was inside our June Lookfantastic box, guys. I really want to know what your thoughts are. Please sound off in the comments down below. Let me know what your thoughts were. What was your favourite product? Let me know. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. I really enjoyed it and I think it's perfectly suited for the month of June, and I think all of the products and the travel bag are stunning. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.